Hello traders. This is Shivender. Welcome to Profit Snaps. In our previous sessions we have seen about structure, types and mannerism of impulsive wave. In this session we are going to see projections and targets for impulsive waves. Basically, we use three types of analysis in market. First one, waveform, is a structure-based analysis, which helps to determine the price movements, directions and trend reversals on upcoming moves. For this analysis, we use trend lines, channel lines, classic chart patterns, Wolfe wave sequences, harmonic patterns, heptapivots, spike and ledge formations. Second type is ratio analysis. Ratio analysis helps us to determine the quantitative relationships between an extension of price and its retracement. We use Fibonacci ratios for projecting extensions and retracements of price movements. Third one, the time analysis. This is common thing for both wave and ratio analysis. Through waveform and ratios we can determine the price movements and its relationships. But time analysis helps to find how long it is valid, and to predict the arrival time of price. For this we use Lucas sequence and Fibonacci sequence. Because maximum number of times markets, tops and bottoms occur in Lucas and Fibonacci time relations. To understand waveform and time analysis, we also need to cover corrective wave patterns. Therefore in this video we will look into the ratio analysis of impulsive waves. Targeting wave 2. Maximum number of times wave 2 retraces in sharp zigzag correction, at the same time shouldn't cross wave 1. Thus wave 2 projections are 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%. In some rare situations, it may retrace about 0.707% to 0.786%. 0.707 is also an important Fibonacci ratio. Once you see this retracement, it alerts you to expect it to happen again on the next swing. Basic projection of wave 2 is 61.8% of wave 1. If wave 2 retraces 0.382 or 0.5% of wave 1, then we can expect strong trend follows. Targeting wave 3. We have already seen this is super wave of impulsive structure. Target projections of wave 3 are 1.618% of wave 1, which is a common projection. If wave 2 retracement lies between the 0.5 or 0.618%, then wave 3 can move up to 1.618 times of wave 1. If wave 2 retraces just 0.382% of wave 1, then it can be a strong trend. That is, extensions may happen in wave 3. Extensions are nothing but wave occur within a wave. If wave 3 leads to extensions, then the target will be 2.618% of wave 1. If it is a much steeper trend, which is another extension happening inside the previous extension, then it may extend up to 4.236% of wave 1. If it is a weaker trend, which is wave 2 retraced 0.707 or 0.786% of wave 1, we cannot expect much in wave 3. There will be just 1 times of wave 1. By analyzing waves 1 and 2 moves itself, 80% of times we can easily predict wave 3 move. Targeting wave 4. It is a bit complex than compared to other waves. We've already seen a lot about this wave in previous sessions. We cannot judge its target only with ratio analysis, because it is a lateral, flat or triangle, or also can be a combined corrective form. Therefore for targeting wave 4, we need to learn about corrective and combined corrective structures. We'll discuss about those things in our upcoming sessions. Let us see basic ratio analysis for wave 4. If wave 3 get extended up to 2.618 to 4.236% of wave 1, then wave 4 projections can be 0.382 to 0.5% of wave 3. If wave 4 travels in a sharp zigzag correction, then wave 2 projections can be used to target this. Targeting wave 5. The last opportunity to take our profits. It is the important move among others, because it can be either truncated or extended structure. Highly leveraged markets like commodity and Forex, wave 5 is considered as super wave. At the same time, we need to keep one thing in our mind: all the three waves never be extended. If the wave 1 forms as leading diagonal and wave 3 didn't take any extensions, then we can expect extensions to take place inside wave 5 move. Basic wave 5 projections are 0.618% of wave 1 or 1 times the length of wave 1. If wave 3 extends to 0.618 to 4.236% of wave 1, then wave 5 target can be placed at 1.618% of wave 1. 0.618% of difference between the length of wave 1 and wave 3. Sounds complicated? It's real. It just takes practice. Hope you all are enjoyed this session. Leave us like to show your support. Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to stay notified when we upload new videos.